You're being recorded.
All right, we'll get
Record.
up in the bed. So.
We like it when we record. We like it when we record.
Night, Betty, not Mama.
Good night.
I'll see you in the morning.
Okay.
I need to tinkle before we start the video.
In bed.
Oh my gosh, my grandma has no idea I'm recording her. Oh my gosh, she's so unsuspecting. Oh, never mind. I was filming you, but then I realized you were... Okay, never mind. Stop. It's 10 p.m. I cannot describe what I just saw. That would be inappropriate. Hi, guys. Welcome to my video. Oh my gosh, I'm running out of tape. Bye.